On March 31st, 1406, Owain Glyndŵr sent a letter, now known as the Pennal Letter, to Charles VI, King of France, requesting assistance for help in his rebellion against English rule. In it, he sets out what he was prepared to concede in return, the main concession being the recognition of Benedict XIII of Avignon as Pope. To the most illustrious prince, the Lord Charles, by the grace of God, King of the French, Owain by the same grace sends the reverence due to such a prince, with honour. Again, that the Church of St. David's shall be restored to its original dignity, which, from the time of St. David, Archbishop and Confessor, was a metropolitan church, and after his death 24 archbishops succeeded him in the same place, as their names are continued in the chronicles and ancient books of the Church of Minerva. Again, that we shall have 2 universities or places of general study, namely one in North Wales and the other in South Wales, in cities, towns, or places to be hereafter decided and determined by our ambassadors and nuncios for that purpose.